What's up, guys? Beers4 Fishing here, and we're going to be doing the unboxing of the ice fishing kit by Mystery Tackle Box, box number 574. So let's get right into it. We get a box in a box. Design on this is kind of nice. It's got a lot of fish on the outside. It's got new fishing products and techniques. This fishing kit is loaded with baits to catch you hogs. Pretty cool. Box within a box. So again, this is box number 574. And what we get inside? It's like catch and win, fish catch. Share for a chance to win great prizes. For full contest details. So it looks like we get a small book with some fishing advice and some recipes. Looks like a QR code that we can probably scan. Let's see if we can focus that in. What's inside? Looks like we get all that stuff and a couple stickers. So let's first look at the Crystal Reaper. Looks pretty solid. Get one of those. Get some fake bait right in there. Some orange. Pretty nice. Got a spoon, looks like. Kind of beaten up there, but looks pretty nice. A slider tungsten jig. That one will be kind of cool to open. Let's see if that actually moves up and down, see if the quality's good. Looks like we also get a lot of this brand is P3 plastics, it looks like. Oh, there we go, 2 of those. And the last thing in the box is, again, a little more fake bait. So we'll take a look at more of the like jigs and stuff. So I'm opening up the Crystal Reaper. So that's Crystal Reaper. Glows in the dark. Pop that on your rod, jig it up and down, possibly get a big fish. It's pretty solid. Nice looking bait. This tungsten slider, I want to see this thing. Does it actually slide? Moment of truth. It's right now. It does. That'll be nice. If I can focus that right on there. So this slides up and down for you. It's pretty strong. Good quality bait by P3 Plastics and Acme Tackle Company. Another one by P3 Plastics is these two, these small ones. Focus there. Dump one of these out. Nice solid little looking bait. Not too bad, not too bad. We get 2 of those. Let me just put that one back. And the spoon. Putting these right into my tackle box right after. Hopefully this winter I'll be able to catch some hogs, as they said. Pretty nice. And that is the Kastmaster 1/12 ounce right there for you. And the last thing that comes in the box for jig slash bait is this fake bait again, and we also get a pretty cool sticker. Catch Co. Looks pretty solid. Again, this is what you all get if you want to scan that. Box number 574. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Go get yourself a mystery tackle box today. Again, this is box 574, so every other box is going to be different. A little bit different, at least. And yeah, there you have it. Stay tuned.